Alright guys, so right now I look over here. I have a cold, so don't mind that. I got the front of the springs out on the front. So I'm just gonna leave that off to the side. And we'll check out all our stuff here. So it's looking good. Gonna give them all another coat. But yeah, I'll flip those over, give them another coat, but they're looking pretty good. This is looking good. But so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off, this won't come out, this ball joint here is stuck in. So I gotta figure that out. But I gotta get this one and this one out, and this will come out. And I kinda wanna paint it today. So I might paint it, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably paint it, because why not? But yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on now. I'm gonna put the GoPro up, put time lapse. Oh, there that goes. And yeah.
When you like the actual final color, you can do it. You know how I want the spray to be.
Hopefully this works. Ooh. Don't want to get it on my phone. The white looks cool.
Yeah. I said only paint it that way.
Careful on the ball, on the thing, you know what I mean? This side's also going to be facing down. I mean, you'll still be able to see it, but
Okay.
I'd rather. One thing is, it's going to like drip down. But that's when the sandpaper comes in and you sand it, right?
Exactly. If I was good at when I was doing it, it wouldn't really drip much.
Well, I think it's just because it's also like gravity.
Yeah.
Ah!